Sometimes it feels like everything is too much. And if we're being completely honest with ourselves, sometimes it really is. When the noise outside gets loud and demands are high, it's so easy to lose our calm center. That's why I'm starting a new 5-part meditation series here on 3 Leaves called Cultivating Calm. I'm Diana, and over the next 5 weeks we'll explore what happens when we let go of control, release frustration and anger, focus on being and believing that we're enough exactly as we are, and simplifying daily life. We begin this series by putting down the need to manage everything around us. I invite you to pause, take a deep breath, and join me. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the new meditations in the series. If you're ready to take this 5-week journey, drop a quick thumbs up in the comments below to let me know you're stepping into this space. I look forward to practicing with you. Until then, be well.